Hi, hello, hello, hello. This is Mrs. M, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the button below, and that way you'll receive all the latest juicy cleaning business industry news. So I'm going to dive right in today, and I'm going to talk about what is actually going to change your life in the cleaning business. If you've been in it for a while or you're just getting started, you become very frustrated, probably quickly, because there's so much competition. Everywhere you look, especially now, there are so many people who are getting into the cleaning business, and so now it's really, really saturated. But don't worry, because so many people do the exact same thing. They say the same thing and they do the same thing. That is the reason why they have to compete on price. You do not have to compete on price. You actually can compete on value, the value that you're bringing to your potential customer and your current customers. Now, if you're just getting started, this is a perfect time. And this is a great channel because my mission is to take over 1,000 new cleaning business owners from 0 to 6 figures within a year. So I absolutely understand where you are because I've been there. Now, what I did is I actually did a challenge. And my challenge to myself was I wanted to see if I was able to start a 6-figure cleaning business from scratch in an area that I knew nothing about. I had no contacts with anyone, didn't have a large budget. As a matter of fact, I had a $500 budget. So I took $500, set it aside, opened a business account, which right now I opened it with SunTrust, and it was at 0. I had to put no money into the account for 30 days. So my challenge was to get my first contract within 30 days. That way I would be able to do an ACH deposit and actually deposit that directly into my business account. So I started in an area that I absolutely knew no one, $500 on my budget, and that included me getting my business license and registration. I had a couple of dollars left for Facebook ad, so I did a $5 Facebook ad. And what did I say that set me apart and started the ball rolling? Well, first, I had to explain who I was. So I wanted to let you know in my ad, I wanted to let the customers know in my ad, who exactly was I? That I was Mrs. M, and I had been doing cleaning for over 25 years, that I had sort of a love for cleaning, and that I wanted to make sure that I had the impact and the income to make a difference in their facility. So my goal was to go in and let them know what my story was. My story is I'm a complete individual, which makes you unique. That's what you have to remember when you're looking at doing this business, that you are an individual, you're completely unique. There's no one else like that out there like you. No one. So my story is I've been in the cleaning industry for over 25 years. Love this type of industry. I love it because it's scalable. I can have impact and income. And impact and income, what does that mean to me? It means being able to hire other cleaning individuals that can work with you, and you can actually teach them. They can come under you like a mentor and an employee, and you're able to teach them how to then go on and start their cleaning business from scratch and grow their business by working with you. So that's one of the things that I love. I was able to have individuals that bought homes by working with my company and go on and start their company and spread that as well. So they were able to have individuals buy homes while they were working for their company. So that's where the impact and the income comes from. Sometimes you can make an impact, but you don't make a lot of income. Or sometimes you can do the income, but you really don't make a big impact. One of the things I love about the cleaning industry is you can do both. And then you can even look at changing lives through the safety and health of the cleaning industry when it comes to cleaning other customers' offices, their buildings, their retail stores. Think of the impact you make when you come in and you allow another cleaning company to open, or another company allowed to open their company, their business, because of your cleaning company doing such a great job. So the first thing you want to do is craft your unique story, who you are and why someone should listen to you. Well, the reason I would love someone to listen to me is because I'm exactly where you probably are right now. I had a lot of different directions I was going in. I didn't know if I should do a website first, get the business cards. Should I hire? Should I get the customers? Do I do it at the same time? I was completely confused. One of the things I love is shortening the learning curve for you. That means you're going to take you're going to be able to implement some ideas that I give you immediately. And the goal of that is to cut your learning curve in half. That is the purpose and the mission, to take over 1,000 individuals that are starting their cleaning business owners, and scale their business to 6 figures within a year, and then to go beyond that. This is an $82 billion industry, and it's probably even more than that. And there are so many different ways that you can get started, and so many avenues where you can grow this business. You can go into government contracts, private, you can do residential, but I mainly like and focus on the commercial side of cleaning. So when I say who am I am an individual that loves the cleaning industry. I have passion for it, and I love to be able to go into a building and change the lives of the cleaning business owners. Now, I also love teaching. So I wanted to make sure that recently I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures within a year. And I love teaching. I've been actually teaching now for years. And so I am an individual that has gone through from 0 to 6 figures a couple of times. And I've learned what works last time and what works currently. So that's what's really, really important. The next thing is that I have a passion for it. It's not just because I make the money, but it's got to be something I enjoy doing. So I actually have a masterclass that I teach you the exact method on what you need to do to scale your business to 6 figures. And the reason why I love to do that is because the masterclass has changed so many individuals' lives, and it's an actual free masterclass. And I have actionable items that you could take immediately. So if you're interested in actually making a difference, growing and scaling your cleaning business, then the number one thing you're going to have to do is become a great marketer. And I love to take and teach you that through this masterclass. So this is one way that I'm able to give you the content, the method, and everything that I use to scale my business where you're able to scale yours now. So I want you to take out a pen and paper, and I want you to write down what you're going to do each and every day, whether you're working part-time in your business or full-time. You want to write down what you're doing each and every day, not just busy work, but actual work on the business. It could be your marketing, it could be your getting advertising, setting up your ad, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, setting up the actual words in the script. And like I said, what you want to remember when you're doing your marketing is introduce who you are, what is it that you have, why someone should listen to you, and the value you're going to bring. So if I say who I am, I say what my background is and why you should listen to me. What I have is a free masterclass for you to attend. And why is that important? Well, it's important to me because I realized that I wasted a lot of time learning. And I won't say I wasted a lot of time. I will say it took a lot of time. I will not say I wasted it because I had the mindset to take that and to learn from things I did right and things I did wrong and then implement it. But what I want to do is offer you a shortcut. I want to offer you a way that you do not have to spend as much time as I did learning what worked and what didn't. But ways that you have to make sure that you actually start from zero and scale your business is you have to implement something every single day that's going to get you closer to your goal. So you can see the big picture and then do bite-sized things every day, every week, every month, and every quarter. And then if you're looking where you are right now, write down where you are right now, whatever day you're watching this video, and then look at where you want to be in a year and what you need to do from that point of that year to back it back to where you are right now. And the only way you're going to get there, like I said, is to take small, bite-sized, actionable actions each and every day that are going to keep you accountable and give you what you need to stay focused and grow. So hopefully this time next year, you'll be exactly with the type of lifestyle you want, which could be sitting somewhere, enjoying the summer, or if it's wintertime, skiing, or visiting with family or friends, or on a beach, or starting that nonprofit that you always wanted because now you've got more income because of your business. But the goal is to think about a lifestyle that you want, and that should be your vision as well, because all of us have to have a why we're in doing the cleaning business. So you need to have your why on why you are doing cleaning and why this particular industry. It's not easy. Doing a six-figure business when the average business is usually $40,000 to maybe $60,000 a year. So if you're looking to scale your business to six figures, you're going to have to put some work in there. You're going to pull up those sleeves, get in there, and really get it done. But like I said, the first thing you need to do is figure out who you are. This is what you now need to tell your prospect, your cleaning prospect, who you are, what your background is, what your experience. Don't worry if you do not have it. It is all about getting somewhere, getting started somewhere, and having your heart in it. If you would like to learn more, then make sure you register for my six-figure cleaning business masterclass from scratch. You can register below. I go into a detailed on what I actually did this recent time and what you can do as well. So until then, be safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.